All right, and welcome. This is a quick overview of the SQL helper I built. I think it's really important to have something like this in place because if you've ever put something into production or fixed something of someone else's that was missing closing connection and ended up making about 1,000 or 10,000 connections to the production database, we all know that is not a good thing. So this is a good way to kind of standardize and make it easier um, to do things, and also it makes it easier to bind your parameters and encourages people to be a little bit more secure in their SQL statements. So what we're doing here is just calling the data table function, getting the connection, and here we're going into the SQL helper function, and we're going in, and here we're building our connection, and it's using the using statement, which I believe is really important. A lot of people, what they'll do is they'll have a finally down here, and they will try to get rid of everything that they created, including strings and some objects and everything under the sun in their finally statement. Although if you just put it inside of a using statement, it's going to disappear, and you don't even have to get rid of it because the using statement does that for you. So every time I see a find, it's like just use a using statement. It's a lot easier, a lot cleaner. So we're going down and we're going to build our command and open our connection, and this is where we would add parameters if we had any. You could pass we could just easily switch this out for a parameter collection. I chose to use a list of SQL parameters, and here we're just going through building our command, filling the data table, closing the connection, returning the data, and that is it. It's very simple, very easy to use, very easy to understand, and also very easy to extend if you want to add more functionality to it. And in particular example, we are parsing it to JSON and returning the JSON data, and here we get our nice beautiful data table. If you want to see more about the data table plugin, then check out the data table video with that corresponding link. Alright, thank you very much. Be well.